Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Trello Butler automation rules easy tutorial step by step. To activate Trello Butler automation rules, start by logging into your Trello account. Navigate to the board where you want to set up automation. Locate the Butler button in the board menu on the right. Click on the Butler button to open the automation menu. You will see several options, including card buttons, board buttons, and due date commands. For this tutorial, select the Automation tab. Click on Rules to create a new automation rule. Press the Create Rule button. Choose a trigger for your rule from the list provided. You can select options like when a card is added or when a due date is set. Once you select your trigger, click on the Add Action button. From the Action menu, choose what you want to happen when the trigger occurs. Actions can include moving a card, adding a label, or sending notifications. After selecting your action, you may customize its settings as needed. Review the trigger and action to ensure they meet your requirements. Once satisfied, click Save to activate your automation rule. You can always edit or delete the rule from the same automation menu. To see your rules in action, simply perform the trigger action on your board. Trello Butler will automatically execute the actions you set up. Monitor your board to ensure everything runs smoothly. With these steps, you can efficiently automate tasks in Trello using Butler. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.